Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to find about complementary solutions. So I will put about yc equals to e to the power of lambda t. Later that, we do first the derivative of this one, and we have lambda e to the power of lambda t. Because first the derivative of this one, we keep the same e to the power of lambda t. Later that, we do first the derivative of lambda t. You got lambda. Now we go second derivative of this one, and we have lambda square e to the power of lambda t. Because this is about complementary solutions, so this one equals to number 0. So I will put this one gone here, this one gone here, and this one gone here. E to the power of lambda t, we can do about factorization. So I will put this one equals to number 0. And now we need to find the solutions of lambda. So lambda equals to number 3 and lambda equals to number 1. So we have yc equals to c number 1. That is about the constant number 1 e to the power of lambda t. Now we need to change lambda into number 3. So we have 3t. And we need to change number 1 for lambda, and we have c number 2 e to the power of t. Next, we need to find particular solutions. So we go in here. So we see that on complementary solutions, we have e to the power of 3t. This one we have e to the power of 3t in here. So in this situation, we need to put about yb equals to at e to the power of 3t, because this one we just have in here. Now we need to increase about 1 unit of e to the power of 3t by t. Now we do first the derivative of this one, and we got like this. So we do first the derivative of t. We have number 1, so we have this one. Later that, we do first the derivative of e to the power of 3t. We have 3e to the power of 3t. Now we go to second derivative of this one. So we have like this. So this one plus this one, so we have number 6. Now we put this one gone here, and this one that is about this one, and this one that is about this one. Now we need to simplify everything. So 980 minus negative number 4 with number 3 in here, and we have number 3, so we have 0 in here, so we have this one minus 4, so we have number 2 equals to this one. So we have e to the power of 3t for the both sides. So if we simplify, we just choose a equals to number 3 and a equals to 3 over 2. So I will put 3 over 2 going here. And now we combine the answer. So we have y equals to yc plus yb equals to this one and this one. Now we have conditions. So for the first one, when t equal to number 0, y equals to number 1. So I will put number 0 in here. So if we simplify this one, we have number 1. This one we have 0. So we just have only c1 plus c2. And y0 in here equals to number 1. So that means c1 plus c2 equals to number 1. So we have one equation. Now we need to do first the derivative of y. So we have 3c1 e to the power of 3t. And this one we keep the same. The next one should be like this. Now we need to put number 0 going here. Now we need to simplify. E to the power of 0, we have number 1, similar for this one and this one. This one you got 0. And we know that this one, that is about number 5. So we put 3 over 2 go to the left, and we have 7 over 2. So we have equation number 2. And now we create the system of equations. And now we need to find the solutions of C1 and C2. So C1 equals to 5 over 4 and C2 equals to negative 1 over 4. So I will put this one go back in here. So I will put this one going here and this one going here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.